Special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Inlet Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Inlet Harbor out to mid-lake, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:38 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Winthrop Harbor, moving southeast at 10 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will be near Waukegan Harbor around 5:10 p.m.